hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 4. That is the story The Foolish Woman. So let's begin with this interesting story. Once there was a cunning woman. एक बार एक चालाक औरत थी, एक चालाक woman थी. She lived in a small house. वो एक छोटे से घर में रहती थी. She had everything, but she was mean and she had no friends. उसके पास हर चीज थी, but वो बहुत mean थी. उसके कोई friends भी नहीं थे. One day, an old man came to her house. एक दिन एक old man उसके house पे आया. He said, "Please give me something to eat. I'm very hungry." Old man ने बोला, "Please मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए दे दो, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है." Food, said the woman. I have a slice of bread. Woman ने बोला, food, मेरे पे तो एक slice ही है bread का. Very good, said the man, and he came into the house. Man ने बोला, very good, वो house के अंदर आ गया. The woman said him, woman gave him a slice of bread. Woman ने उसको एक bread का slice दे दिया. Then thank you, said the man and ate a small piece. Man ने बोला thank you और उसने छोटा सा piece खा लिया. Bread is nice with a soup. Do you have any soup in the kitchen? asked the man. Man ने बोला bread तो soup के साथ अच्छी लगती है, क्या तुम्हारे पास थोड़ा सा soup है kitchen में? I have no soup, said the woman. Woman ने बोला मेरे पास तो कोई soup नहीं है. Then I will make some stone soup, said the man. Man ने बोला मैं कुछ stone soup बना देता हूँ. Stone soup, said the woman. Can you make soup with stones? Stone soup? ये क्या होता है? Woman ने बोला क्या तुम stone से soup बना सकते हो? Yes, said the man. We will make some stone soup. Could you get me a stone? Man ने बोला yes, क्या हम stone soup बनाएंगे, क्या आप कुछ stones ले आओगी? The woman brought a stone and handed over it to the man. Woman stone लेके आई और उसे man को दे दिया. The man washed it and put it into a pot of hot water. Man ने उसको wash करा और hot water के pot में रख दिया. He tasted the water. This is a good soup. उसने taste करा water को, उसने बोला ये तो good soup है. He says, are there any potatoes in the house? Man ने बोला क्या कुछ potatoes भी है house में? The woman cut 2 potatoes and put the pieces in the soup. Woman ने 2 potatoes को cut करा और soup में डाल दिया. The man tasted the soup again. Man ने फिर taste करा soup को. Very nice, he said. इसमें बोला बहुत अच्छा है. Are there any onions in that basket? क्या उस basket में कुछ onions है? Onions क्या होती है? प्याज. The woman opened the basket and took out some onion. Woman ने open करी basket और कुछ onions ले आई. She cut them up and put them in the soup. उसने cut करी और soup में डाल दी. Good, now the soup will have a nice taste, said the man. Man ने बोला soup का एकदम अच्छा सा taste आ जाएगा. He smiled at the woman. Is there any chicken piece? तो उसने woman की तरफ smile करा, उसने बोला क्या कोई chicken का piece है? Yes, said the woman. But please hurry, said the man and stirred the soup with a long spoon. मेरा सिर हिलाना. So जैसे वो उसने बोला yes chicken तो है, but वो कुछ बोलने वाली थी, तो मैंने ने बोल दिया कि जल्दी प्लीज जल्दी ला के दो. स्टिर करने लगा सूप को लॉन्ग स्पून से. The woman brought a leg of chicken. Woman chicken का leg ले आई and put it into the pot. उसे pot में डाल दिया and then she put in some salt and pepper. और उसमें कुछ salt और pepper भी डाल दिया. The man tasted the soup and there was a smile on his face. Man ने इस तरह soup और उसके face पे smile आ गई. We put the soup in 2 bowls. उसने soup को 2 bowls में डाल दिया. Let's sit down and eat, he said. उसने बोला चलो बैठो और इसे खाओ. The woman took out some more slices of bread. Woman ने कुछ और slices निकाल ली bread की. She then sat down with the man and they had soup and bread. फिर woman के साथ बैठ गए, फिर उन्होंने soup और bread खाया. The stone soup is very nice, said the man. You are a very good cook. Man ने बोला stone soup बहुत अच्छा है, तुम बहुत अच्छे cook हो. Thanks, said the woman shyly. Woman ने बहुत shy होते बोला thanks. The man was smiling at her foolishness. Man उसकी foolishness पे smile कर रहा था कि कैसे उसका पागल बना दिया. So that was a story of a cunning woman. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the interesting story. Hello my young explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the exercises of chapter number 4 of English, beginning with the very first exercise of the chapter. It is darken the correct option in the OMR sheet. So it is the women was very dash. कि women जो थी वो कैसी थी? And the options are coward, cunning, brave or poor. So the woman was very cunning, right? We have option B as the correct answer. Next, the old man was very. कि old man जो है वो कैसा था? And the options are hungry, thirsty, tired or greedy. So the old man was very hungry, right? So we have option A as the correct option. Next, the man was smiling at her dash. कि जो आदमी था वो किस चीज पर हंस रहा था, right? वुमेन की इंटेलिजेंस पर, फुलिशनेस पर, ड्रेस पर या फिर none of these. So he was smiling at her foolishness. That means option B is the correct one. Then next, the old woman was mean and she had no. अब जो ओल्ड मैन है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा मीन थी और उसके पास क्या नहीं था? शी हैड नो फ्रेंड्स, हाउस, pot or money. So she had no friends, right? So we have option A as the correct answer. Now, moving ahead, they say unscramble the letters to form correct words from the story. तो अब हमें करेक्ट वर्ड्स स्टोरी में से ढूंढने हैं और लेटर्स को अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है. सो इट इज NETOS. सो दिस वर्ड इज स्टोन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हाउस. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज ब्रेड. Next, this is slice. Next is chicken. Next, pot. Next is soup. Next word is onions. Next is salt. Next word is slices. Next, women. Next word is nice. Moving ahead, we have next exercise that says write T for true and F for false statements. तो अब हमें true statement और false statements बतानी है, right? So it is the women lived in a big house, right? So this is false because the women lived in a small house, right? Next, the women gave a full diet to that man. This is also false because she gave nothing to eat, right? The women cut 2 potatoes and some onions in the soup. So it is true. Next, the man put the soup in 4 bowls. False because they were only 2 persons. So he poured the soup only in the 2 bowls, right? Next, the old man was very clever. Yes, absolutely, he was very clever, right? Next, moving ahead, we have to answer the following questions, such as where did the women live? So, the women lived in a small house. Correct? Next, who came to her house? Right? So, who came to her house? An old man came to her house. Next, did the women have friends? No, the women had no friends. The women had no friends. Next, what did the old man ask for? The old man asked if there was something to eat. Correct? Next, how was the soup? The soup was very tasty. Correct? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.